still processing it because at the moment I feel cheated. Hello, it's Marek. Welcome to MDrives and welcome to another video. And I welcome you from a very interesting car. Yes, it's an EV, but it's a very special EV. It's a Hyundai IONIQ 5N. And as you know, N actually stands for fun. So I'm hoping that I can actually experience some fun in this electric car. So majority of people will tell you that you can never have a proper fun in an EV. And so far all the EVs I've experienced, they were good daily drivers, they were good A to B cars, but I don't think that any of them really excited me in any way, and I think a lot of that can be down to lack of the sound. You might get some kind of very synthetic sounds, even designed by musicians, but they have very little to do with actual like engine sounds and excitement you get from that. So hopefully this one will prove that this can be achieved. So I'm in the N mode now, and this meant to be a fun one, so let's go. Okay, I knew it's gonna be quick, but this was very rapid, and I really find it intriguing how this car manages to create this sound, how Hyundai managed to create this sound of an engine which works so well with what actually happening to the car. It sounds almost like this car has a real engine. You don't feel that disconnect, that you press, you accelerate, and then some kind of whishes and whooshes happening. It actually feels like this car has an engine and you actually drive it. We'll see how it feels in the corners because it's downshifting. Oh, this is fun. Really, this is fun. And the fun fact is, I probably drive it quicker than other cars I had on this road. I think it's amazing that the car imitates the gear shifts and manages the torque in a way that it suggests to your brain it has gears. I mean, this is quick, honestly. Wow. Okay. I'm slowly starting to convince myself that this car is actually super fun. I can't get around the fact that it changes gears which are not there. Honestly, wow. And it's so capable in the corners despite the weight. The car actually feels so good in the corners. Wow. It shifts its weight really well. It hides it totally. I can't, honestly, wow. Oh, I'm instantly becoming a fan of this car. I can't actually believe that they achieved that. This is so good, and this fills me with some kind of hope that actually electric cars in the future can be fun. Right, okay, let's calm it down for a moment, and I'm going to tell you a bit more about the car itself. So I was surprised how large the cabin is, but hey, it's a big car. In photos it doesn't look that big, but once you actually see it in live, it's a big car. Styling, I think this is questionable, and it's, again, it's very personal, but I think personally it's a bit bare. It's minimalistic. Let's try to accelerate it again. Oh wow, honestly, this thing can accelerate. It's mind-boggling how the perception of the gear change and the sound can trick your mind into believing that you're actually driving a car with a real petrol engine and normal gearbox. I'm still processing it, right? I'm still processing it because at the moment I feel cheated. My mind feels really cheated. How you can have gears where there's no gears, and how the sound just perfectly reflects what's happening with car and how I provide inputs to the car, you know, in terms of acceleration, etc. It's just, and it even has like a ref counter. I don't know why. It's one of the elements to, again, trick your brain into thinking that you're in something different. Whoa! This feels so capable. I mean, even in those corners, I would say it feels as capable as the RS3 I've driven here. I would say it's stiffly sprung, but it's not crashy at all at the same time. Honestly, how this car controls its weight so well, it's just beyond me. Wow. I mean, okay, now here's the question. Would I take this car for a drive on Sunday morning just to have a blast? I think yes. I mean, I don't know how long it would be due to the range, but in terms of fun, this is fun. This is honestly like driving i20N. It's obviously a bigger car, but it doesn't feel big on the road, and the fact that it's so well planted on the road, it just, yeah, I'm still processing it. I think this car proves me and a lot of petrol heads that we are wrong, that there is a hope. And yes, I'm not discussing styling, etc., because that's irrelevant for this video. That's not what this video is about. It was about an experience of EV, and can this actually be fun? And hell yes, it can be fun, and it is. Wow. I have to say, I'm really enjoying it. Everything I've thought about electric cars, this car has changed. But I also do understand that it's not every car which can do this. And yeah, I mean, Hyundai, what have you done to this car? It's almost like a witchcraft, you know, how this car can behave so well in the corners, how it can do these things, and how it can trick your brain into thinking that you're in a petrol car, that you have traditional automatic gearbox. Wow. Honestly, petrol heads out there is a hope. I'm not saying sell your cars, buy Ioniq N, but this car, as a proof of concept, I think it proves that it can be done. I think we're a long way from the space where we're gonna have a choice, a selection of cars which will be able to do just that. But that car just, I think, proved everyone that it can be done. Electric cars can be fun. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed driving this vehicle. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you shortly in the next one. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Do widzenia.